Hello techies, today we are going to be working on lab 417, which is explore ARP in Wireshark. As a network engineer, it is essential to understand how protocols work. In this lab, you will capture, analyze, and address resolution protocol packets using Wireshark. Use Wireshark to capture packets from NP20, apply display filter to show up requests in the packet list pane, select packet where the info starts with who, and use the information on the packet details pane to answer question 1 and 2. Apply a display filter to show ARP requests with target of IP addresses provided. Select the packets indicating where this particular IP address is and use the information in the packet details to answer question 3 to 4. And let us start up this lab. Now, this video might appear to be a bit too fast for you. You can always pause the video so that you can follow the steps in this video accordingly. So I apologize if this video appears to be too fast for you. Just pause and walk at your own pace. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. Alright, we are inside the lab now. So the first thing we want to do is let's see, we look at the questions we have here. Alright, so let's go into the terminal and it's open Wireshark, is NP20, and let's wait. Okay, so we are going to stop and wait for it. Okay, we'll stop, and what do we have? So we type in ARP. So let's maximize this so that you can see better. So let's go to question 1 and see who has IP. Okay, no, let's look at it again. This is the IP address 192.168.1 false. And let's see what do we have here. So this is the IP address here. So let's open up and see. Okay, so this is going to be sender IP address. And for question 3, let's see, apply display filter to show ARP. So we just type in .dst.proto_IPv4 also equals to 192.168.0. Let's see, it's going to be .147, and yeah, 147 be correct. Okay, so let's bring this here so we see. Alright, so okay, what is the question? Which field contains the same MAC address to say for 192? Okay, let's see. Alright, so this is going to be 192.168.0.147. So this is going to be 3. Yeah, it's going to be 3 here. And let's scroll down and see, just to be sure. 4. Okay. Yep. All right, so I think we're good to go. So just to cross check, is there anything we're missing here? Let's see. Okay, everything appears to be fine, so we'll go ahead and I think we'll go ahead and check our answers now. Alright, so everything seems 100% correct. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.